Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting your Mauritian virtual phone number from KrispCall. To buy your Mauritian phone number, first, visit KrispCall.com and either sign in or register. Then, access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Click on Purchase New Number. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Mauritius. Customize your preferred number type and proceed by clicking Buy Number. Provide a name for your selected number and add it to your cart. You need to submit the document containing your ID and proof of local address to our customer department to obtain your Mauritian phone number. Now, click Confirm Purchase. Once your Mauritian phone number is activated, you can start making and receiving calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Call Box, Global Calling, Text Messages, Voicemail, Multi-Level IVR, Call Analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.